Hey guys, my name is Itamar, also known as Adama, and I've been making music inside the digital environment for the last decade. As Adama around 3 years, and basically Adama is my main musical project. But yeah, music always been there since younger years. Actually, guitar was my first weapon of choice, and then some more instruments that caught my attention, such as the didgeridoo, flutes, keys, and yes, some more random percussive instruments and percussion I've been collecting that, yeah, by the way, lots of them you can hear inside my music. The inspiration for the music I write actually comes from several places, such as places around the world, countries I've been to, different scapes of nature, people I met along the way, and of course music, and actually a wide range of musical types, such as the ethnic world, the Aboriginal tribes, Latin American sounds, and all the way to the electronic world, from the down tempo up to the techno and the psytrance. Basically, in my music, I'm trying to create deep layered atmospheres that somehow combine those rhythmic organic vibes with the electronic world in the more of a psychedelic level. And yeah, actually, for me, music is my platform to share my feelings, to tell my story. And things like this session today, is actually a great opportunity for me to share some of my approaches and to allow you to get inside my production process. You have all kinds of melodies, and it's just impossible to cover everything. In fact, you have endless possibilities, topics and approaches we can discuss about. And instead of trying to touch everything, I'll share with you how I perceive this subject of melodies and how it actually manifesting in my music. And yeah, first I'll try to explain what a melody is and how I perceive it, and the different kinds of melodies that I'm usually using. And after that, we will dive into how I actually create those melodies and what guides me to do what I'm doing. And actually, as we progress, I'll try to cover and include as much as information that I can, so you will be able to actually understand what drives me doing the things I do in my music. And yeah, layer by layer, we will be creating several kinds of melodies. So let's dive in.